how to create Google Docs document on Google Drive. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Google Docs document on your Drive. So all what you have to do is go to Google Drive and log into your account, and here is the home page. Now all what you have to do to create a Google Docs document is by going here, click on this new option, click on it, and here you will find some options. Click on Google Docs and it will take you to this page. Now you can write anything right here and it will be shared directly to your Google Drive. Easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.